Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the next topic, that is balanced and unbalanced force. So, बच्चे balanced and unbalanced force are the types of the two main types of the forces. Okay. So, बच्चे balanced force are those forces in which the resultant force is zero. What do you mean by resultant force is zero? That means the force applied by both the bodies on the object is same, okay, due to which there is no change in that body. Okay, so that force is called as a balanced force. For example, if I am pushing a chair, okay, and on the other hand one more student is pushing the chair, okay, and the chair is not moving in any of the direction, in that case the force is balanced. That means both the parties are applying same force, so that means the resultant force is zero. So you will see that there is they cannot set the stationary object to move. Okay, so it will not start moving, it will, if it is moving it will not stop, and neither its shape and size will be changed. That type of forces are called as balanced forces. And unbalanced forces are those type of forces in which the resultant force is not zero. Resultant force is not zero, that means the resultant force is not zero, that means one team is applying more pressure than the other team, okay, in which the object will move in one direction where the force is more. For example, if I am we are playing the tug of war. See, these two teams are playing the tug of war, okay, team A and team B. Team A is applying more pressure than team B, so the rope will move in the direction of team A. Okay, so this is the example of an unbalanced force. Okay, so in this case the stationary object will start moving. Okay, a set moving object will stop, it will change the direction of motion. Okay, so effects of forces. Bache, what are the various effects of forces? Bache, see, the same thing. Force can move a stationary object. Okay, so when we are kicking it starts moving. It can stop a moving object. For example, if we are catching a ball, then a ball stops moving. It can increase the speed of an object. For example, if we are applying force, okay, on car, okay, so it will increase its speed. Okay, a toy car here. Next is a force. When we are decreasing, when we are applying the force, it can also decrease the speed of an object. For example, if a toy car is moving, if we will apply pressure, so definitely it will stop, or it will slow down the speed of that force or that car. Okay, so next, see bache, a force can change the direction